Tialoko bulo yume poinangen manianga la me kom tikera la mapole ko pa bulo mai komal malo Uganda kidong lobo Uganda lo watie kilogman kijemo ken mapol matipiri tini anya sande yakomo mawacha komiti ayup malo ngai mo chwin ento kongmonen matipiri wie madiro.
At
least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate Alina Echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Eyup mapol metie loko bulu tikela la ikom ko pa bulu makitika ben mapol ilobo Uganda kan.
We had an election that had a certain blend and a touch of bribery.
Notela maya ya B-Town Council matikwania district pod gidoro tikita ya tepiane gero kidong lime yubo office payatie mwara ya beach inge ya bo en medoro Town Council ochawtich nindachel medremia biro wa mwara alibario pierario.
Tuano tio pango duachel la hario tutumia pier beach quarterly dek wano tio cholo la habiri nushu.
Kadong court mamalo man Supreme Court lobo Nigeria ochako winyo piri kumla wemo Yahaya Sharif Amino makoti komeni enu yero la Profeta Muhammad court pasilam nodongolo toiwie. Amori hajuli kaneno yup melogange mo chuin iwanlu television. Tialoko bule yomenge komgi kidong bene miye wadgin fony malupagilak malaka me komti rocha kopa bul mapol magitie ilobo Uganda kama gintie kinpachi kino pony makitman chaden mano karo ikare meka choke makiyobo project mabat mekared miye kopa bul wako loke kondun mako yobo ka choke mana yobedo adra Uganda Care Oxfam kidong share project kachil ke dude me right to play mati konyo bul mapol kinpachi lobo Uganda kan mekwo iyo mapor tirane gwako yor kom kidong bene kon maken mapol marwate kidong pa bulu magiti lobo Uganda kinpajo Johnny Sani uchaka chono biltika choke man pe wanlu television en kele kombeti kore kitma ko pa bulu laki kwere peje mapol man project maglo kombulu magitika ko ilobo Uganda kan.
Pero mabulu gen gitika nongune ikin pen ilobu Uganda kene puti madid matek tutwal ka udore lok me yorukum mamer ni omiro ki katika ribu jing Devita Nakiganda bulu me chitera sub county Imayuge district otero ni elu nyurne gubelu chan machulo kwan ungayo gi weo kare me itiro kila bichiel yajworo chinywa kotam konyo machal bulu ento teru wi weko kom kare ni itie gang kwanu university mwakama deke.
Remember, I was mentored, taught about sexual reproductive health. I was encouraged and empowered. So I decided to share with my father. I told him, Dad, I feel like I want to go back to school. Now the first facilitation I got from Sehad, I didn't use it. I was like, let me keep this money and at least use this one for the start. The other training we had, I got the other money. It was 50,000 shillings. I bought diesel. I started selling diesel in my village. And I was getting something. I used that money to pay for my transport to and from the university every Saturday and Sunday. And it worked.
John Mwanza, County Director me Adra Uganda, nyuru chwe chwinyeni tute udmit matek neno ni uluki konyo gi pien pero ne puti dit ilobu Uganda.
It's a story where adolescent health and sexual reproductive rights are in crisis. A story where too many girls are silenced. Too many families lose hope. And justice too often fails to arrive. For me, I call it as a national disaster. The midterm evaluation we will hear is not just about projects and numbers which we have. It is a wake-up call. It tells us what is working, but it also forces us to confront where we are failing as a team. And if we are honest enough to ourselves, we'll be able to see failure, how it is costing the lives of these particular young ones.
Dr. Irene Munyango, la Konko Commissioner in Ministry Mayot Kom Wajuni, Yuman Pire Tek, Kakiripe, Wero, Obot Luak Mapul, Mamiro Coin, Mayot Kom Kidman.
Recognize the valuable contribution of our consortium members. That institutions together share and stand up. Put together with government are delivering transformative initiatives that touch the lives of women, girls, and the vulnerable communities across the country. The projects we celebrate today are aligned with the Ministry of Health and other government institution strategic plan, and that just concluded National Development Plan 3 and upcoming National Development Plan 4. They focus on some of the most urgent issues we face. We are all aware of the teenage pregnancy rates that are stagnated, the access to sexual reproductive health services. We know of the statistics in terms of gender-based violence and the issues of implementation at community level.
Charles Charwanja ngad maneno lok mayot kum the Interreligious Council of Uganda wajuni we lutieno matie ka weko kwan duong chiumiero gamente o yabwae neno ni pero meno kichobo kilo nyuru bene kumak dogo korigi.
In 2016, over 2 million children were enrolled in primary one. And by 7 years later, only 970 were sitting for PLE. Over 1 million had dropped out. And this trend has continued up to today. And you are here sparing the Minister of Education? Because when some sectors don't do their part, the health sector suffers. You get it? If we have 1 million children dropping out, yet we are saying we want to, these policy reforms in the education sector, where you have USE and UPE, our prayer was that part of the solution to the challenge we're discussing today here was to increase enrollment, which happened. Okay, enrollment increased significantly, but then retention and completion is a disaster.
Kinoni be ka chekitiu ka chel me rocho kwo pabulu mege me to kilu tiena nyera ka chel ki ilu malo yot ko meteder wek lubu man udong Piwan Luo TV Joni Sani uchaga chon I Kampala.
Dr. Mwanza this side, so can see the Irene's.
Kelego lo cholo kangea maiko malmelo vegan me bero tara nyo bene mach mamanyo ka ben magen ko yene wek lo ken gango ni ngo matika teme lagmano ka trikar me fonyo palo cholo kangea makitiko malmelo bo Uganda magit ger konwa fonyo gen melo ko chuch palo komgamente wego nge matia tilo ngo ya wanglwak igen mamolo ni accountability reporting yob man lo diro padulme African Center for Media Excellence akmi yo machek kidong Northern Uganda Media Club mano meko yo pe bulma pol man lo cholo kangea mawa kigulu opade kidong kabere mo kene mati ko malo melo bo Uganda ikine bene Lira City ngeno bere kaponyo lo chot mai ko mayar kamaleng yu pagamente tet kote kilim pagamente kidong bene lo bo kolli magamente kerikin pajo kuno dam yor nge mabe ngom tika tem ke bot kamente melo bo Uganda lo chot apara bit guno fonye man Dr. Church pa won lu television David Magero beruti ye kuno wanen kong fonye palo cholo kangea iko miyar kote kilim pagamente ikenje mken mapite go bot anywali loboman.
Machalo yo achiel keken mineni uluto gi ilo kero padani yo mapapat ikit me don lobo kitimo jim marwate ikabero murum wanyo ikin dano gilegulo church me igulu city gi kumalo me Uganda mi bero machalo la menyu nyo maraya pikabero maurumu gi nyo society itiji meneno majui luo man kono bino ikare metimo fonye magi luo ni public accountability reporting magi timo pilo choj mogo manonok magi yero ikumalo me Uganda tutwale igulu city gi kabero murumu ikom kit magi romo dok kwede ikom je mukene mano luak mapol pegi ngeo gin magi wajo ni accountability nyo transparency inoni luo man kono tieme iluker palo choj wek gorgo bed kila meny mapat ki kit matich magi timo wiye majuini Innocent Aloyo matie la cho kila pok loga ngea kontiu i Mega FM matie igulu city kono moko ne pere tek tutwal menyo jami matime ikaber mapapat we ako binati bolwa
macharo lo pok ngech pere tek ni wan wa wego lwa ngeyo ngo mano tikatime I dul mapat kama no wan wa poye chalo wan mo watie kumalo me Uganda kany wano miro wek lwa nge ni gene tikitwero mengeyo lim mano gi kero gwage pi yup mo matie piege keti lok me gankwan ilok me odiat ilok me guro weng no pere tega dada
Ino Aloyo kono terni meno ikar mo kene kilo gor me tich kamaleng tie mi bene wego olo yobo tich
eto machalo lupongech wano waneno ni gor mogo tie gor ma waneno ni tie ni pepi rache eto pe yobo tich pien wa mirni ketigamente uchwalo chente mo chente ni eno ni no muchoro palwa o miero tich magi chwale ye chente ni utine kirmano mite kwere
kit mero bene o kod Lil Romeo matie la church me Favor FM mabene ti gulu city ni kono o terni mero fonye macharo kit man loho kit magi temo kede jemi
no karapa nge ni atiki gap kit mi poko nyo pa gamungi maluke ki accountability ka elemon ilobel accountability so tiki foj madir da kigen madir ni akme ki kachel ki maguber ka partnership ki no make no Northern Uganda Media Club kit me kelo en the church mafudi peori fi total mi kelo gi yakuniang kit me poko chwalo lo ngea yeyenyo lo ngea yo kweto lo ngea kit me accountability en dong part madong fudong story no timara tika tiudong total chem
dok man bi konye atek total pian bene o yabo mae
ya rom kerto ni 50 no 40% palo choy ene gi ngeo okolo ngea I let me accountability nyonge ne matot chinu ko lo ngea accountability so ene atamne bi yapo wango total
Nancy Atim tie la kony kola ngi lo ngea I orcho lo ngea magiloni TND News mati lera city kono terni meno ribu wat mabe kilo nen nyolo win lo ngea tigin mapere tek total
because tijimo kene makaro audience wa no pegingeyo so obero tichwa meneno ni wan yaro jimeni kama because at the end of the day jimeni they benefiting and targeted their taxpayers they need to know chena inima possibly make government tia katika work how do they benefit from it again magoba bitikwe jim ano government katika
en kono meni bere karmo kene wego juma gi kergi office gi mio lok nyogi mio chaden nyogi moko chaden petich ango magen kiti katimone inone Javia Silas Omago mati la fony bod dun magi luoni Africa Center for Media Excellence kono oterni oberu tich palo cholo ngea meneni olto ki kwanyo ji mukane wako kama le
public accountability we've learned through so many researches that we've conducted is one of the most underreported areas in Uganda, and yet it is one of the most important ones because this is where the public money is put, and the journalists need to be interested in covering these stories. But if they are interested without having the skill, still we won't be able to get quality stories. So we thought that to cover this gap, to fill this gap, the training should be started to make sure that we move around the whole country scaling and equipping the journalists on how best they can explore this sector.
Lorangea Iwan Luo TV, David Magere, Igulu City.
There are essential fixes. And if I could understand the example very well, the auditor report.
Mabat kimeno lotela magiti ya Bitown Council kabera mati kwa nia district gijiga doro tiki iteti bume odi mayat mati area mamegi piani mono gelme office pere kabera lemput payati mecharotit makona gen matit mabe belwak machwalo gini office ya Bitown Council tigen kabero matela magigwero kikom ikwania district abit manyen ni doking ngolo kikom nambie so sub county odo charotit pere Town Council enendo achel Medjumia Biro imwaka alibario pirayo karibet kumanio watin Town Council futkiti yeta ya dog bene petikadiyo ken mapol metnen kemiyo lokon mati bolwak piene office ameke futpe ya komitie kaben limpiti maromo karime gedo office kuno Solomon Okawo olokelo telama Town Council man en keli matut kimatich pelwak makono kidong pera mai keme kwere piana lim kidong germe office futpere pelwak maya ya Bitown Council.
Otala ma yabe Town Council ameti district mekwania tia tichite yen achara duge mechan chente megere opishi ayabe Town Council tie kin gombola nyen ameti district mekwania ayabi opohori kom gombola nambiso eni ndwa chel medwe ma biro imo atutumia rio kerepira rio nono ikom karaman Otala ma yabe Town Council Potia berite yen iyonge mohangwen ame yap ke Town Council man John Dennis Bu tie won koma dek ma yabe Town Council
tuano tio pango dua chel la hario tutumia Pierre Beach quarterly dere dek wana ti cholo la habiri nushu mo hachel wana cholo million a dek tiu ke de local revenue kwacha bod government tieni gin ma chel mi recording wa changmi wa chente
Sam Opio adoro johore ma yabe Town Council otiropeki amo kanchela tia nuongo achara duge meti chite yen
ka korchwe councilors bedo kana me tio jorko ame miyo e councilor kera ku bina ko mechil doku jeber ko me ario mere miyo meeting waro mo chahale pien mir ko ko te yatwo aka meeting te woranyim donc pitien ko pe nono miyo wana chalo council me yabe Town Council tine ni omoho ni chente marana ndong me didi jiu bino tikere district mir ye wa ka wana bino te mama no ni be Town Clark wa chenda wana kero me dg o tikere miliona bisiel le la hade kamota moni katwero tikere kwata ma bino ni
beda pe gomolet kwata wate yelo wa yorne ni duonga chenta me wando ti onwo dungere wok worri pango ot kana me office ti ye piene kwata shel wana ruenyo la habere nushu ame ngurni financial year no wana te ruenyo chenta me nuti miliona dek so mi da wa jamu numero chwal boto tedero podong ti awor ko pangot baren wana ti kok ni office block wa peni akwa iber chuny me kato wa gindu binu shor wa kaka noro kedi chente
district mekwania opohori ko mapach imo hatutumia rio kera paru ya boro kwania tiger gombo la boro kera Town Council za dek amut pe One Television Solomon Okabo ikwania district
who in your infinite wisdom
Committee maneno loko miyo poguri district mekabara mairo gamo lok palwak ni mon karebene mon lwak tika kok ni mon titika ward mod ka ben gun mapol futi marajo kon gamente o morme miyo chilling bino na chel bod district ni matiriyo gen wan mon li man fut pe yaramo pene kan maka charo miyo tiente no ka ben mapol Uganda gitike pero meraj paguri ngama tika tipitono we district engineer mekabara mairo district man David Elumonite o wani mono pero limfuti matekle makemione ya ramo pien pero me guri tima pol I district mameki wero lim fut peti ma ramo gibitiyu iguri makuno mot kade bene mon luak tika ko gen bene peke bere peke tika titikara lidu yake chob mere palwak ke kel bene don lobo ilo kom guri pi gedano magiti district meka bere maido kuno la chot mamewa Michael Onye tie kilo matut kombete yub milo nge mochun tika nene kanki One Television.
Komiti amemakere kaachiel kede komi yote i district meka bere maido en tiyo komino aduok pitien kopnyo omiyo gin likiromo keto eng'aro ikomi yote apapat aluber karachiel kede koko me jopiny.
Yote mabere mado dubere moro. Yote mabere mado mite ng'aro yo kopuri ber yo puro yo mabere mado doli yo kete ng'aro.
Ng'ata tidaru tutunu Bala District Engineer meka bere maido David Elom Knight wacho be sente en anonok metimo gigi dede.
The district is continuing to make the roads accessible by restoring the roads that had deteriorated. You have just seen this one. This one was worked on by NUSAF. That was a project, but now it has deteriorated. So the main objective the district is supposed to achieve is to restore the roads and accessibility so that to improve on movement for communities plus their products. Like I've just mentioned, the first step for us is to restore the roads. This is deteriorated beyond accessibility. Now we have restored them. The next level, now we are going to improve their surfaces by graveling them so that they have enough maram cover on them. In case on the side of a drainage, we are going to put drainage structures, but most of our roads are low-lying, the sides are higher, so we need the additional equipment, especially what we call the backhoe, which can excavate deeper and provide those proper offshoots. But that is the target we have to achieve. The offshoots must be on the roads. Well, the challenge right now is our equipments are getting old. They are about 8 years old, and we have frequent breakdown. Just like we moved today, we found the roller already has an issue. So when such things happen, you have to take time repairing it. That's already time. That's one of the biggest challenge we have now. The other challenge is we have difficult places like these ones, which we call bottlenecks. They need special attention and special equipment and also adequate money so that we make them accessible. So those are some of the challenges the district is now having. At least especially the equipments, the budget we have under for equipments, it cannot handle the equipments which are now getting old. We really need a more bigger budget. First of all, what should be done is to increase the budget. Currently we are working on a 10% budget, and that one is inadequate. If you want to buy tires for the grader, you need 24 million at least. If you want to buy tires for the wheel loader, we need about 6 million times 4. That's also another 24. You see, so that budget gets blown off very fast.
So MP me buku meka bere maido Alfred Edakas Elal Olale wacho dabe komiti gi otamakino timo gimoro aber do kwa ginando tiebe abumenti med sente mewek tiche abecho medere ikom yote.
So district mabere mado timo yote apapat kiber do podo dong kede kilometers akala motola chiel ame pora tima ame sanga yamo kede ni bala yoni ame yai iyo olabo ota werai olabo nyatai kata paka kona logwara yoni podi rach dokon ipore aika ame mwaka ni financial year ni liang'eyo da ka otero ike pien ka etie kame dona etie dubere do totwal irach amanga te gango totwal tama president ame ti wach kede be bilion achiel amele mobedo mino wacha e mwaka bino no ka kobde do timeri ber emito medo dok bilion 2 atambe bino konyo wa kede kabera chalo bala man amenado yiko doko tek ne wa isete anao tie udoni.
So do ingi chuntie wacho be una ni bedu ni committee me roads kon wokun karachel kede budget ko wacho be engaro li yote pulejun li committee yote tamnyo.
So kopa makere kede ngaro tie be seta motie kede ni kama wacho be okete ngaro yote wagi kadidide le aro tuero sete udaro remniwa. So omiyo otie tamo be kaga moga recho bala kamo samati bala na kan kamo puro oketi e ng'aro do ka ber vat kede ng'aro ket ka recho tutwal do ka podi romo bere di bero rega buli mwaka me wek yote de be dinyo ni be di bere kaka timo yotari arade kene iseta motie wudo ndede kapat ko dong abongo gimoro.
Michael Onyinge, Piwan Luo TV, Ikabremaido District.
Kine district luten kwoti don lo bogen go chaka project makiloni mono protect madun mericha han Uganda tikatelo wieda kuchikaro kono yub machel makiloni mono brave festival berka yume gwakalotina nyar mapol igai kwan magiti West Nile kono tebuk meneve district chimene mono anyira bere komia chel gewa wa kwani ko yo manufut pia go tira bane kwan me primary and key district kono tebuk achele banywan mono tira nyara piru bichele mia cheli giyadi wako chon manufut pia magora mapau ya boro and a district meno wele benatila maldo alkipa kwa kuno piano tena nyera maram piru angwene ko mia cheli pa ben gitiako kwan me primary manlu pakadoke kwan magetimo ite yup me National Housing and Population Census madul me yubo sotimo elobo Uganda kani kayaro adukine imwaga makarne la George mamewa 8 na pit kali report matuti kom yume kerki inwenen ke gwaga nyer mapoli gankwan and yup moko me brave festival ti me nebi municipality onen kong kombeti yup melorange maoching Tebuk palotela magiti district mati West Nile tira na epilwak mayalu nepi district kidong zombo nyulo tira nyar mapol gikeng wako kwani koyo pekiti yako kwani primary mokeneti epinyom chon kidong yojo chon mati kenlo tira nyira en my district arioni Ladit madoro tichite project man Albert Francis Zongom oweni mono mwaka ngwendo ngichako wako yup makiloni Brave Festival mapole tika Kerotek pekwan pa nyira.
At a program officer in Project Protect moneno ile parado. Tumuntinwa tie wakati kunini majilongo wakirini pa anyira majilongo Brave Girls Festival. Eti ya pori edition mamira cheli ni tekai. Wametu nanonia anyira unang access ikum.com de odia karema pola nyira pedi kwirmede ngatwa woch ko gipe jurno dewe pelemen ngo bonde donc tino metu nya anyira bela nyira makweri ke community mapenyo chimi nyindi mangyo ngingyo gine mege komgi magni rights mege ma protect and project ni orangwen mina nya issues ma ko manyira eni di utewi nya oyobere moyobere nyine di wacha ko community wacha ko health wacha ko do education mona no nya som panyira pirete pinikom kare mapol kura mwa chala lur wote kura mabecho wote maraje kura maon dunia anyira chul school fees anyira te pinya te ne teknia obeni winyo echa sokari wakwa ona juru nyuru teranyere school bichul sel ni anyira de chal kitu ma chul kura cho
Amos Thopachu la kopkin ni District Youth Advocacy Network nebi owelo tira nyar matena kemike pera mapol kacheko doni nyombene pole oweo doro pera yodkom kepen panyira magi pianono futpa ya gorwate me doro mon ot
saka neti wale koiko yacho machori majuma nyingi tena kama manwe kusoma ma upo rengo so pende wange mabernia pasent kajira ma oro minga ko ma ke yacho Uganda ke ro we entene district ma pasent mo ke ro ko se ni ma be ma raj no Uganda pende ke pasent ke ro wali pa nyira ma juwe kusoma ora para we chego para bora uchele ko yacho so yacho achon kugeta nyina ko weka so ngiro keta nyina ko ro so chuka ke ngati wala ko
Lotina nyere mogo magikwano Inevi Town Senior Secondary School go wajo tamgi ikom yup makiloni Brave Festival kidong foni mageno no meberi gankwan labon chero inyom chon.
Badongo umaku badongi mama ke tunya isomo udo wek le mukende chala mbasho kunu nyot wa karawek owuok chien kudi isomo kani dropping out from school iwek isomo dongi isomo go utie peko gi mashimwengu chala be kai shidi gier inwang daw igier no daw tie manyo kan shidi kuni inwang gier
Inevi Town Secondary School. The Martin
lemba nyira shokri pa nyira matine angol a som lembe mapol iko mabedu ku honorable minister Nyamotoru Fiona e wesh mumi kira tegu shwi maketa shungu kudi wadano maluoru pe man keta ketune le paso damad le mingomendiegi
Karibet Kumeno Maxwell Opak Roth Matiwan Comedy Debating Club Yangal Senior Secondary School Owain Mono Club Mantigen Mapira Teke Choko Chuna Nyira Meberuti Gangkwan Bari Club Mamekini Bena Nyira Ayegit Lulok Mabejo Dok Mapoloyo Pewanlo Television Edna Beach Kinebi District Hikamapat kiko malomelo wa Uganda, bulu magitilo wa Uganda, megengo poru wako kui papati NRM Manmen Youth League, gowani mono kogetini mono kui man pa war mabepe yenki ngol pa aduke me yeman, geno wani mono lokom kuo kuyo ben mapol, wawilo bol kui beno berutie karme bulu kuinin ento, gen meken magetimo perme kone gen magiporo kui dak ben niyo watin, fot pia ge yenki aduke kui make bolo, pia lo memba manlo dire mako botero dulpa bulu, magitie itepati NRM enilobo Uganda kanye onen kong report man pe in yub melo kange mo chuin kanki Wanlu TV report ni obo wake bola chotmamewa Manfred Kajubi Igana matika lokelo jolo kange Kampala bulu magawen mon igi peyum gemero wateki President Yoweri Museveni waketiet ngatwingi kabene ginong la gama na futpi yagitimo gen moiken pian igi peyum mikomadoki meye makiboli kui pibulu magitiete party NRM Bulu magi wani mano jima polu beratima perwate kiloko miye mano weko gen makerge melim noke pedonge karo kui ento jomo bede kerme wilo bol kui eko bedo ki kar me karo kui man makiyer yelu tela pa bulu magi chite party NRM Gen wani mono ti market man ne balu wo lok market mati te party dok bene tuero balu wo teach pa party man tuwale bot bulu machungi dong pa yomi Gen wani mono piyene gitike dan mapol magilubo ko gen dok ben gitike dan je mapol magitimi party man gen ken gimachelwe bulu gitike lubol kui makaro million apaw ya beach kolum
We had an election that had a certain blend and a touch of bribery. But this, whereas we have tried our best to approach the party through the right channels, we have been deliberately cut short of that.
NRM is our party, yellow is the color. To vote is our role, to choose is our pride. A fundamental change, but not a mere change of guard. Your Excellency, today, we the contestants, the former contestants of the Youth League are here, gathered to address our grievances in regards to the misconduct of the elections. My name is Piloya Barbara Nyero, the candidate for publicity. Your Excellency, we are here as children of
Mirgi madid dong tiene mono duan ki umioro winye dok President Yoweri Museveni umioro nong yu mechopo lok magatik European Koroman diyu bene kompati. Gen nong tike gen ni moro watike President Yoweri Museveni miyo bot gen karme nong lagam dok bene gibi nywago lok magatik European ka bene ke penene ki yu mateko twal kit me bolo kuite party man party magen gichwago NRM. Ilorangay mo chuin Wanlu Television Fred Kajubi Kikampala Hikamapat ki lobo Uganda court mamal to lobo Nigeria man Supreme Court oberker beten machen me winyo ko man ti ko mala juwe mo yuek lobo Nigeria kuno man Yahaya Sharif Amino makoro ti ko manem eno yer la Profeta Muhammad ibongo mati ikano man in Nigeria igin moti me mwara Ali Baro Pirario enke wani mono chewe ma yer la Profeta Muhammad dok bene court me sharia man court padin Islam kuno la chen ngola food metoy wiem lobile ne pongol ke court poko yenke ngol man wa goriyo board Supreme Court kanen ngomer ke team wek en Yahaya onongol ma team wati ke report ene te kabino kombeti High Court Mekano State la jeno kwa yarwago lok food mecho wi haya kawani mon kichak pir mano dojo adukingol moyo mateko twal chinlu pilde mamege pengibit no ke do waro kom sharia lo onyo chek medin islam mamiyo put mateke kene put meto to ale pilo kom yeto ala onyo bene yet la Prophet Mohammed ka chil kitim mogo wai tim metawang man matime kin mon kicho. La pili da manye kola alapini wadebolo cholo ngaya ni monte jema Paul matite chek makiloni mono sharia penal code matoro pen chek melobo Nigeria dok bene perwate ki pen chek mebilobo dok maro merkene gichiye matek kabene eno legani mono kimika onkar kigen memetike choyo warga onyo bene choko dok bogi pe winyo koko me apil madongi choyo tinyim Supreme Court ni Karibet ni mono gamente palobo Nigeria tikon gamente mapaparo pidini sharia lo nyochek padini Islam futi yu ikaberu mind state apau yario mati kumalo melobo Nigeria. Gen miyo bene put matek ko toale te chek pa Islam dok pole maro bero tonyo gen mai ken matek makache itimo romo kele put meto ikinete yeto ala onyo bene yeto la Profeta Mohammed. Chek man ke katik were mwarapiru wa bichi nge dok pole ka cheki ngolo dano ne ki ngolo wako kiloko wako aduki pa ngol pa kot onyo bene no peke timu peke pakati ke miyo food makiteno pia no food ki kore ya pil. Ekare makot man no au chero ikot mamalo nyokoro man ke chwale kot mamalo high court mai in Nigeria kadongo tingo chero Supreme Court Dharma Paul magiaki man dul mokene magiti ilobo America ite dul mokene European Union kidong United Nations go ani mono mirke chwak Sharif Amino peke miye food meto. Idremi angwen ne kot momo bilobo magineno bene loko melobo magiti kuporo chengme Africa kiloni the Community Court of Justice of the Economic Community of West African States go ani mono food meto nitigen maperwate Dr. Food Mo Karolajo. Karibet kumano Nigeria food pia ukarongol metoi wi Amino ni tich ni yowotin. Sharif Amino koti wene mono eno chwalo chod mo matie kono chod makichoi kumwe i WhatsApp group mo wani matipalo ye medin Islam dok eno yero mateko chwale kero pala Profeta Mohammed ngat mo chako dini me Islam. Lamento Abba Sorondinki matie la pilida pagamente Mekano State o abolo cholo ngani morangat meken mawelok makono nyuro chachi kum la Profeta Maleng man Mohammed nong food dok bene ki before them. Maono chung nget en man la pilda mokene alapini o nyera ko wani mono la reme en mangeo cheki peti Supreme Court dok meno oberjo mokene makpeye ni mono ngol mati obetie. Kariwet kitchen Sharif Amino futi kitika gwako eni te lodge pa lugwak dani jela kono piro me winyo koma pilman teka medenyim Supreme Court. Pewanlu Television Ania Sande Yakumo. Hello kom turo pie modilo makono ke kwara luwa yubo kiloni kopo pa bimo otero du chen kimira matek me konyo dano man magiti district manebi kedon ka ber mo kenne ma oteno gin manikine bene diara Congo ke kwara lu teno kwat kidul ma MTN Uganda pe joro kono yugman ma do chake wo ka beno botum wanende Piruba Beach medwe manyen mandre mia pam yugman time me yungej bod bulu kedon jomo ken ma Paul wakana mon kedon ke kwara lu kaben ke chok pero madiyo dan makin paji imwaraman dong tipetene mangwen meturo delo makiloni mono kopo pa ubimo onen kong report ke bod Edna Page. Turo me mwaraman mikopo pa ubimo nyo bimo kapo chake cha bichil makarni oboriyo niyo weninde piariyo ya beach medremia pa kono bokele ka chele timo patma ki ike kwaralu magiti Uganda kedong mokene magiti i Democratic Republic me Congo. Moch me pie me mwaraman tieni mono julu pony matiki bolu nyoro me joko nyom chon kidonge chon kino tel nyera matino dok pole kitika tikiloko mtuko menen kitiyo kikayor matuko tikwerini me kono chobo per ma papat matikin pa jitwale madiyo kom lutina nyera kidong bulu. Yaro yupman otime baro koro stadium Matizombo district dagoberi yetu kumulere mikin team me aluma kilobo Uganda kidong team aluma kilobo DR Congo menyoro wat matie otum gola cheli kumtong gweno team me Congo oloyo wako team palobo Uganda. Majalo wa ibuti yupman MTN Uganda ko katikon gije mapol magobu timo menene giber kamiyo miri bot luturo kiben luchwak turo goboloyo chimchim makiloni kabode smartphone. Philip Odoi ngat maneno lokom chato wil pa MTN Uganda ikumal milobo Uganda owani mono lutur mapol go benego no kabode smartphone ikino beri ngat moloyo tur man of the match kadong bene otera mitur man gibono je mapol kiniti yo dilo kidong lela mekonyo gin kibene merke ko mamekini kibemiyo ye chimching wekenen kitmedongo kupe kibene chato wil. Vincent Ochaya Mati Executive Director Padulma Lur Kingdom wa yom tutwal pekon mo akibot dul mechimching Mati Uganda ni. Mandong team waramea bichel mawati kin MTN Uganda kidong Lur Kingdom mawero ben lutur mapol make pae ngucharo cherka tuke romu kene ilobo Uganda kan dok bene manti yo achel magibilor kere doktor man metiaro ka kwero mwaramea madong man Ruth Biomeke Kwaralu Filipola Karauni Meradek Urikere kom Meke Kwaralu Pewanlu TV Kizombo District Edna Page. Club Turo Dilo Maditi Lobo Uganda Man Viper Sports Club Gutiro Nongolod Gola Cheli Komtongweno Ituro Mekaf Champions League Man preliminary rounds Ituro Magen Guturo Ki African Stars Men Namibia Turo Mario Man return Lego Botimecha Bichen the Pirwa Biro Medre Mi Abungwene Mwaranini Dirini Iba St. Mary's Stadium Man Matichi Tende Ivan Jackie Miniat Matela Fonto Pa Vipers O Enemogati Genmelo Dakyupe Mateko Toal Petene Machel Gibito kipajo nyemdo tuakturo pa Viper Sports Club wanen report kombetika wakikore ilokomto. Gen pa luturo kiloloj pa Vipers tieni mondo tuakturo mapajo bomi yubot gen ker matek meloyo tukuman. Uyupo wane tukumachel utum achel likom tongweno kon loj obero bot Vipers SC. Ituro madiri ni ubutime St. Mary's Stadium Chitende Mati Kampala kama Ivan Jackie Minat matilafon turo pa Vipers owani mongetike geni down mapol uberutie kaneno turo meno.
And not to make everybody happy because this is something else, but to every week to having the best competitive team. So every game we will approach them as a new game. Every game will be from zero, and every game we need to make the changes that can be happen. So for us, the next important is the game of Saturday.
Mapat kemeno bene gitike gen pengilo tok mapol magiti atara meturo tok makaro piera dek magitike paje kwani giti atara meturo dak pati ngate megen mono awano ikare mechoyo lukangiya man. Defender pa Vipers Hilary Mukundane Maumoro Gulu Kituro Mautim Aflon Sidia Mati Cape Town City kum South Africa ni awani mono loch tika bino pajo. Kache gengo no draw onyogolo turumatini Vipers gu wichero donge round Mario meturuman kama gitika koro makaki asek mimosa me Ivory Coast onyo Power Dynamos me Zambia kache kinginario ni benegulo yuturu. Kidunjele Captain Patime Vipers Milton Carissa iloke bolu cholo kangaye owani mon gitike mbiri matek meloyo tu manda ken wengitima yupe matek dan wengitimo karuchunya yakatike geni mondo tu mapajo kanye gumiyo kayar matek meloyo tu ikum African Stars.
Of course, yes, we have an advantage of a goal to zero, but since it's football, I would say in every game there's always different situations, but to us as Viper Sports Club players, every game is always the same. We play the same, we don't change, we don't care if we are trailing or we are leading, but we always give our best in every game.
Afonturo pa African Stars Bob Mafoso kidon Captain Ronald Ket Jejigere wengo wane mangibi miyo kero meturo matek Vipers gubo maro match wakigange. Lato me African Stars go oya chake mecha bid mando kitika Berry Hotel Horizon matie Entebbe Municipality. Tine bene gutiaro katemo tiengi ba St. Mary Stadium chitende gitiben kakor kono tuko mabuti medong diri chiambichel ninde piru abiro metwe mia bungwen imwara alibario piari ya beach. Pewan Luo Television ilorange mauchwin and Sunday. Kakare en niki report lokom toke mokene weng mokarbo tintini o ya gikeyup melorange mojwin ania Sunday kumum wipo wilupo wa social media wati Facebook, YouTube, X, man Twitter, machon kidong TikTok weng kinying ni Wan Luo Television tum chabit ben beo make chabit manyen keyup mokene manyen melorange mojwin.